Hey everybody, Justin and Rebecca from VMP here. We're at Orlando Speed World with her 2024 Mustang GT with the new 3-liter Supercharger. She's gonna drag race it and see what it runs. My finger strategically over the time. All right, well, we didn't get data this pass. It's not the end of the world because it is a freaking insane pass. I promise to let this guy see the numbers too. So step right in here, come on. All right, you ready? You had to soft launch it because it spun the first time. We went 112 in the 8th mile, 6.7, but look at this ET and this mile an hour.
Fuck.
God damn.
That's way faster than I was expecting.
So with a 172 60 foot, she ran 10.16 at 143 mile an hour. That's awesome. I mean, there's nothing done to this car except for a tire and the supercharger.
It's actually easier to drive than my GT500.
We gotta go do this again and go faster. It just gets better.
Oh, thank God. I was afraid it was slower. Oh my God, look at that 60.
You're getting it. But I mean, 155 on a Nitto drag radial is awesome.
I'm pretty happy with that. I'm pretty happy with that.
Do you remember how hard we worked to get your car to go like from 10.0 to 9, your old car?
I came out to the track multiple days in a row with pneumonia.
And like one time it ran 10 zeros.
As many zeros could be on the scoreboard there were.
You're already making more progress with this car. Like,
well, I mean, I have what? A lot more experience.
we're gonna tune it up a little bit and see what we can do. Into the hottest part of the day, and even the huge intercooler is not immune to that. So Rebecca spent a lot of time idling, way more than I would like, while they went and turned the scoreboards off, because we are covert about this. However, the 60 foot slowed down a little bit. It seemed like she was pedaling it, and we went a 112 8th mile and a 10.026 at 143.16. Mile an hour's back, and ET's getting better. Heck yeah. So from the outside, it looks really smooth.
It was very smooth, for sure. I thought maybe the 60 was a little bit and it was a little bit
The ET, the mile an hour.
I mean, yeah, I mean, that's fantastic.
You're so close to a single digit.
I know.
10.026 at 143. I know I said it earlier, but get to see it with the queen here, and that's awesome. Like, keep doing what you're doing. Just do more of it. We'll run this thing again.
Yep.
Maybe hit a 9.
Try.
Pressure oscillation of the map sensor. hide it from you.
Because of my superior ability to read through white paper.
Yeah. Did you see it?
No.
First off, how did you feel about it?
I was nervous, which I'm usually not, but the car felt good. Like at first, I thought there was a little bit more hop than there had been the previous couple times. There's always been a little tiny bit of hop.
It left hard.
It did.
Yeah. And it paid off. Oh!
999 with a 9 at 142.72. And my best 60 foot, a 153.8.
111 in the 8th mile, too. Yeah, that was hauling butt.
Yep.
Great job.
Thank you.
I don't give you high fives, I give you kisses.
Yeah.
Well, it's been a pretty successful day of testing here at Orlando Speed World, if I do say so myself. There's really nothing done to this car. It's got a Nitto 275 drag radial, the new VMP Gen 6 3-liter supercharger in partnership with Whipple. Wow, that's a mouthful. It's got the Whipple tune in it, the 3.75 pulley on the stage 2. We did put some Boostane in it, so we had a little buffer. And she drove the wheels off of it.
Tried to.
You did a good job. This is just the beginning. I'm excited that the beginning started out this fast.
It's a good place to start.
Make sure you follow along and stay tuned to our channel. We plan to do a lot more with this car. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.